This month's video series is all about what to expect in the real estate market of 2021. Are we going to see a crash? What to expect in the real estate market in 2021 and what's happening now. I know it is hard to tell with everything we have going on. I get it. We've seen so many different markets over the last 20 years that this has been one of the more unprecedented and unfamiliar markets since I've started. I'm Travis Pullen with Berkshire Hathaway at the Acre Group, and I am your Littleton real estate guy. If you look at the Housing Market Recovery Index, here's a graph from Realtor.com. You see a V-shaped market, which is just as predicted back in March when the pandemic started. The market has recovered and is even looking better than when the pandemic started. Back in March, we were at a 106.5, and now we are at a 12.8. Back in March, we were at 106.5, as you can see, and now we are at a 12.8, which is great. Yes, there was a defiant dip in the housing market when the pandemic first started, as we all know. But now, as you can see here, the market dipped and then took a strong and steady rise. This analysis measures four things. One being the demand of homes, meaning are buyers wanting to buy. Two, it measures the supply or inventory, the number of homes on the market. It also analyzes prices and homes prices going up or down. And lastly, the Housing Recovery Index measures time on market. Inventory and interest rates are, in my opinion, some of the strongest indicators of why we are seeing such increase in housing activity. There is a lack of supply and high demand because interest rates are still at an all-time low. Also, if you look at the number of active forbearances, and just to remind you, a forbearance is a deferred mortgage payment. The number of active forbearances have been declining almost each month. Also, if you look at when homeowners exited their forbearances plan, you'll see that 54.6% are paid in full, 30.7% are working out payment plans with their mortgage company, and 14.7% are still in trouble. The thing to be most concerned about is that 14.7 could very well turn into some short sales or foreclosures. So that is something to be made aware of. The market is still hot and buyers are still active. Look out for more information about the housing market and how it may affect you. Travis Pullen here with Berkshire Hathaway at the Acre Group. I am your Littleton real estate guy, and we are always here to help. Reach out anytime, even if you just have a question. We'd be more than happy to help you. Stay safe, everyone, and just remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I will see you on the next video.